We're sinking.
Video.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, look at that. Fucking truck's up there.
Might want to go that way.
No.
Yeah.
No.
I would go up there and then go around, wouldn't you? So that way we don't have to drive through all of it.
I need to clean the truck anyway. It's a free car wash. Oh, fuck yeah. My space is full anyway.
Yeah, I got it. It's just coming. Like, it keeps coming. You see that?
Yeah, I know. Yeah, we're gonna have to go back. I'm not gonna drop your car.
Probably should go the other way. Oh, my phone's wet now. Thanks. You really should turn around. Just saying. I'm being serious, William.
I know.
Like, keep going and then turn around because this is not good.